So next is Vrikshasan. Firmly press your right feet on the floor. So firmly press this. So there are 3 specific points. 1 big toeच्या खालती, 2 small toeच्या खालती, आणि 3rd one is middle of the heel. So firmly press those points on the floor and firmly press your feet. Take your second feet towards your right thigh. Open this knee to a little. Try to find a balance in Namaste first and then take your hands up. Focus at one point. Fix your gaze and stay there for 5 breaths. And then slowly release. The second leg as well. Again, all those 3 points. Firmly press the feet on the floor. Then you can take help of your hand and take your right feet on your left thigh. Open this knee up towards little bit back side. Then go for Namaste. Fix your gaze. Then take your hands up and stay there. Stay there for minimum 5 breaths. And then once you are comfortable for more and more breaths, you can stay there longer. Slowly take down and take your feet down. Here one thing to mention, if it is not possible to take the leg on the thigh, then you can start from here or here. But only the thing is, remember that you should not take your feet on your knee. So this is completely wrong. Either you can start from here, here, or you can take on the thigh. So any way which is possible for you. Come down.